Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tap the target app and choose App Info. Once there, clear cache and force stop to avoid conflicts when downgrading, and make sure you have sufficient storage and a current backup of app data. If you'll sideload an APK, enable Install Unknown Apps for your installer, browser, or file manager. Also note the current version number so you can confirm the rollback later. Next, decide whether to use uninstall updates or sideload an APK. For system apps, open App Info and tap Uninstall Updates to revert to factory version. For third-party apps, uninstall the app fully, then install the older APK. When sideloading, pick a release that matches your device ABI and Android level. Check the APK signature if possible. Once you start the install, allow permissions prompts and follow on-screen confirmations. After install, open the app to ensure it. Finally, restore your saved data and sign back in. Make sure settings and files returned correctly. If the APK failed due to a signature mismatch, you may need to use the Play Store to install an older build if available, or reflash a factory image for system apps, only if you accept data loss and know how. If the app crashes, clear cache and storage, reinstall, or check for compatibility issues. One key tip: if anything breaks, restore your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.